on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah. All-rounder is in the house.
Let's hear the news and know the one that is trending so we can analyze it and let people understand what is going on now.
All right. President Tinubu signs another bill into law to guarantee stable power supply. The Electricity Act of 2023 allows the monopolization of Nigeria's electricity at a national level. The bill stated that states can now generate, transmit, and distribute electricity in areas covered by the national grid. Tinubu dodged a poisonous knife by not appointing El-Rufai. Social activist and former federal lawmaker Shehu Sani commended President Bola Tinubu for not appointing El-Rufai as one of his frontline aides, saying that El-Rufai is a poisonous knife. I see Nigerian politicians using our youth for protest, only to abandon them later. Ayodele stated that God showed him and he sees politicians in Nigeria utilizing youth as protesters, but will later dump them. Ayodele declared that no protest is necessary. A member of the National Youth Service Corps, NYSC, serving in the Federal Capital Territory, FCT, Abuja, has been killed by an unknown assailant. Gideon was attacked and stabbed to death at a border town between the FCT and Nasarawa states. MKO all-rounder. President Tinubu signs another bill into law to guarantee stable power supply.
You mean President Tinubu has started signing bill?
Yes. This is the second bill.
I don't understand this news. One, I've heard that on March 17th, precisely, former President Buhari signed electricity bill into law. Go and check it out. March 17th. Yes, former President Buhari signed electricity into law. But now that you said Tinubu has signed the law now, I don't think Tinubu has started signing law because he has never even appointed the appointment. He has never finished the appointment first. He has never even appoint the ministers. So, but now the first job that he has started signing bill to do, I don't understand it. But what I know is that President Muhammadu Buhari, former president, has signed on March 17th. He has signed electricity bill into law.
All right. Tinubu has dodged a poisonous knife. Shehu Sani.
Shehu Sani, I beg. Leave El-Rufai alone. El-Rufai is in APC. President Tinubu is in APC. There's no how. He must give El-Rufai something. If it's not giving El-Rufai appointment to be CSO, he can give El-Rufai another one. He can give El-Rufai minister. So just leave them. They are in APC. It is their government. You are in PDP. Leave them. I don't know what El-Rufai is. El-Rufai is your friend. I mean, maybe you politicians, you know yourselves. Are you not in the same APC before? Are you not the one that helped him to be Kaduna governor before? You helped me to become the governor of Kaduna. Then you left APC now to PDP. So we now turn to your enemy. That is say now become poisonous knife or whatever you call it.
Yes.
Yeah, because of
the insightful speech that we did about the Muslim tickets.
They are politicians. They know what they are doing. That one doesn't concern us. What is concerning us is that leave El-Rufai. El-Rufai is in APC. He has worked for Tinubu as the president, and Tinubu will give him minister. He has never finished the appointment.
All right, Ayodele. I see Nigerian politicians using our youth for protest.
Let's iron this thing out. Is Ayodele a critic or a pastor? But this one, God show me, I don't even understand again now. It's only in the Africa, it's only in Nigeria. What intent, what is in your mind? Instead of you to say it out, you now say, God show me, God show me. Now, I know that our politicians here, they use protest, they use youth for protest. After they will dump them. And when Jonathan was president of Nigeria, when they increase fuel, when they remove fuel subsidy, this is the same our president Tinubu is the one who sponsor protests in Lagos, giving them bread, giving them minerals on the road. You understand? He sponsored the youth for protests in Lagos during the subsidy the Jonathan government. But today they have removed the same subsidy. You understand? The same youth when the stage answers is the one against them again. So if our youth will not learn, they allow themselves to be used by politicians. The work of the politicians is to use the youth and dump them. So it's not that God show me, God show we know. Nigeria knows that. The politician knows. So when you are now telling us that God show me, tell us what you want to tell us. Leave God show you. God show you everything. God show us everything.
All right, MKO all-rounder. Gideon was attacked and stabbed to death.
That's what we are saying.
He's a member of the youth corps.
Can you see what this is all down on insecurity in the country? We have been clamoring for insecurity, security. You will see bandits rampage one city and the other. Southern Kaduna now is rampaged by bandits. You see kidnapper everywhere. You see herdsmen everywhere. You see all Boko Haram and insecurity in the nation, in different states. So now a young promising NYC, a young promising guy now, they have stabbed him to death because he wanted to go and collect a way bill in around the Abuja Nasarawa border there. Can you see? That's what they are saying. Please, we beg you, President Tinubu, please do something quickly, urgently, to quench this insecurity in Nigeria. It's too much. It's too much for us. Please, it's too much. Do something. Help us. God will help you.
All right. Thank you very much, MKO all-rounder. Trending on Procyon Radio and Television with Sarah Agbo.